Pumping iron. Understanding chest day. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might hear often in fitness communities and gyms around the world: chest day. Whether you're a language learner who's passionate about fitness or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. We'll explore what chest day means, where you might hear it, and how you can use it in a sentence. So, let's get pumped up for some linguistic exercise. The term chest day refers to a specific day dedicated to exercising the chest muscles. In fitness programs, people often divide their workouts by muscle groups to allow for targeted exercise and adequate rest. Chest day is part of this bodybuilding lingo, where each day of the week might be assigned to a different muscle group, such as legs, arms, back, and, of course, chest. But why is there a special term for working out the chest? The chest muscles, particularly the pectoralis major, are a key group for building upper body strength and aesthetics. Having a dedicated day ensures that these muscles receive the attention they need to grow stronger. Plus, chest day has also become a cultural phenomenon in the fitness world, often associated with a sense of dedication and hard work. How would you use chest day in everyday conversation? Here are a few examples. I can't hang out this evening, it's chest day at the gym. After a tough chest day, I like to reward myself with a protein shake. Do you have any tips for increasing bench press weight on chest day? Notice how the phrase is used to signify not just the activity, but also a commitment to a routine. Interestingly, the concept of chest day has transcended beyond the gym. It's not uncommon to hear it used in a metaphorical sense, referring to any task or challenge that requires focused effort and strength. For example, someone might say, "Preparing for this exam is like my chest day," indicating that it's a significant and tough task ahead of them. And there we have it. I hope this video has expanded your understanding of the phrase chest day and how it's used both inside and outside the gym. Remember, learning a language is like working out. It takes time, dedication, and practice. So keep at it, and you'll be flexing your English muscles in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, take care and happy learning.